princess. Forgive me. Don't worry, when we're coming back from the stream, I'll teach you how to sing.
Oh, okay. But can we just go fast? I don't want there to be crowded. I hate it when I tell people to leave the stream. It's embarrassing.
I understand you, my princess. I do. I really do. Well, you know you're the most beautiful girl in this village. I hope you do.
Stop it! Let her go! I'll shoot you!
Princess, my princess. Hope you're okay. Thank you for saving my life. Thank you so much.
Brother, this is the land I was telling you about. The one I newly acquired from Onyema. Just from here, go round, up to that palm tree, down to that mango tree. See that mango tree inside?
Yes.
Down to that place.
It's very big. Hey, congratulations.
Yes, thank you. Now I have 3 farmlands.
No, 4. Remember you dashed me 1.
Oh! Brother, you're funny. Yeah, I remembered. But thank God, that one is serving you and your family.
Yes. Now we can be going back.
Brother, we've just arrived. I have not shown you around.
But I'm feeling a bit sick.
Well, if you say so.
Yes.
But I'll be taking you to the herbalist.
All right.
It's like... Brother, why? Brother, why?
I should be asking you why. Why must it always be you? Why must you always have the good things in life? I struggle like you, but you have all the good things. Yes, I am not intimidated by your money. Why should I always run away from you? You stole my luck, and now I have it back. Safe trip to the land of the dead.
Hey, Nai.
Please, prepare some hot water for me to take my bath. Huh?
Hey, but what happened to you? You have not told me.
No, I injured myself.
Hey, Ndo.
Yes, please prepare hot water quick. I
want
to
wash
it.
I hope you didn't eat your father's food.
Look, I cannot do that. But even if I ate his food, I'm still his favorite.
Yeah. See her mouth. I hope you didn't eat his food because I am not going to cook any other thing until we are done with this apple.
Mama, do you know that this year's harvest is so bountiful?
Yes, so I thank God for favoring us this year. Now we have 3 massive farmlands that can feed the whole of this village.
Hey.
Your father indeed is a hard-working man.
Yes. Mama, I'm so proud of my father. I am so proud of him. But I wonder why he's not yet back.
so that he will tell you to go and eat his food.
Not that, Mama. It's just that he said if he comes back, he'll follow us to the farm. That's why I'm asking.
Probably he went for another business, but I'm sure he will soon be back. I don't want him to come back when we've not finished with the apple.
Mama, this apple is plenty for us to finish in a day.
And a pot of food will not be too much for you to finish in a day. Yeah? Walk. No more talking. Walk.
So, Mama, you're saying that I like food.
Alright.
Who?
Walk. Not talking again. Oh, let's finish this.
So you mean he did not mention to you where he was going?
No. Hey. He just told us to go to the farm, that he would be joining us. That was the last time we saw him.
Hi. This is very much unlike my brother Adigwe.
Chuma, please calm down. Yeah? Calm down. I'm sure he will come back later.
I hope nothing has happened to my husband.
No, nothing happened to him. Nothing has happened to him. He may be somewhere around or even outside the village for business. Huh?
He would have told me that he wouldn't be coming back on time.
But don't worry. Don't worry. We'll sort that out when he comes back. He must have a reason. Why don't you go back home? I will see you later. Huh? Yes.
Hey.
Since yesterday, I have not set my eyes on him. Where could he have been? God. My father never stayed out like this before. He has never. I hope he's alright. I hope so. I must go and look for my father.
so scared. I'm so scared.
No, you don't have to be scared. Eh? Don't worry. Take it easy. But very soon, he will come back. He will definitely come back.
Nabiko.
What of Tobe?
Tobe said she wants to go and look for her father. So she has gone.
Oh, Dima. To Badro.
Brother? Brother? Eh? Brother?
Please, take it easy. Papa, bring him back.
You're welcome, Papa.
Where's your mother?
She went to Tobe's house.
Has it been long she left?
Yes, it has been long.
Well, come. And, come. I have this. Go and buy yourself. More is coming.
Thank you very much, Papa. Thank you, Papa.
Come.
Papa?
Go to your chase bar and buy me my own drink. Eh?
Yes,
and don't forget to snuff too.
Yes, Papa.
Yeah. Urema, I'm asking you again. Or have you gone deaf and dumb? Huh?
I want you to tell me the truth.
What truth?
About the blood stain I saw on your cloth 2 days ago.
I told you it's from a wound I sustained.
You have refused to show me that wound. What are you hiding from me, Mbogo?
Nothing.
I knew you were going to say that. Your brother's corpse was found the very next day after I saw that blood stain. What are you hiding from me?
Are you in any way linking me with my brother's death?
No. I am only asking you a question. What are you hiding? from me.
Now listen, Brenda. Listen very carefully. Let this be the first and last time you ever ask me such a dumb question. Do you understand? I don't know anything you are thinking or what you are talking about.
To yourself. Why are you doing this to yourself? I miss Papa. I miss him so much. But we have to move on with our lives, Mama.
That is the problem. How do we do that without him?
What do you want us to do? No, what do you want us to do? Kill ourselves? No, kill ourselves? No, if it's what you want me to do, I will do it for you.
No, my daughter, we cannot do such a thing.
Then wipe those tears. If I'm seeing them, it's breaking my heart. Please. Those tears are breaking my heart. Because we have to move on. We've mourned him enough. We've mourned Papa enough. Because
but he doesn't deserve to die. He does not deserve to die.
I know. I know. I've asked God why. I've asked him a couple of times. There is no answer. We've mourned him enough. Please, don't cry again. Knowing that one day we will all die. I don't want to lose this son. I don't want to lose this son, Papa.
I don't want to lose it too.
Wipe the tears. Oh, Chijanya. Oh, you know you're a strong woman. Nemo.
How is Mama?
She's just there.
See, you don't have to worry yourself. I hope you still talk to her. You gonna go on a budget.
I do, but it has not been easy for us. It has not been easy for us.
I know, I understand. See, don't worry. My father is there to take care of you and your mother.
Okay.
To be.
Just
to be.
I don't know when she will recover from her shock.
Of course she will recover. She will recover.
Okay.
See, you don't have to cry. You don't have to cry. I will come tomorrow and see you people. My phone. Oh?
Okay.
I want to go and check my trap.
Okay.
If it's not one, no. Follow this guy. If it's not one.
Nanyambok, the news of Adigwe's death greeted me with a shock and surprise. Shock because it was sudden. Surprise because I found out it wasn't Nkalago's messenger of a death doing?
No. It was my own doing. I just had to kill him myself.
And you didn't deem it fit to inform me about it?
No, I'm sorry. That is why I'm here. You see, an opportunity presented itself and I had to take it myself. He even was showing me an expanse of land which he acquired recently. And I had to get him off and stop my wife from referring to him all the time.
You did well, without leaving any trace.
Yes, thank you.
Nanyimbogo, Nkalago's messenger of death still has its eyes on the wife and the daughter. Do you want to eliminate them?
No. I want the wife to myself. What is mine is mine.
Oh, come
There cannot be peace in this house.
Are you threatening me?
I am not threatening you. But there will not be peace until you tell me what I need to know.
What do you need to know?
I saw the blood. I did not see any wound on your body. Mbogo, how did you come about that blood?
You are getting mad.
Eh?
Yes.
A kind of madness. By the time I start shouting, then you will know the extent of my madness.
Don't you push me. You hear me? Don't push me.
Papa! Mama, what is happening here? What is the problem?
Ask your father. He has the answer to that question.
Mama! Papa, what is the problem? At least I deserve to know.
Go and ask your stupid and senseless mother. Every time she's challenging me in this house. But I will deal with her. Don't worry, I'll deal with her.
Chidalo.
Mama, let me be. Leave me alone. Since you don't want to tell me what the problem is, I am now a stranger in this house.
Nah, it's not like that. Eh? Your father has been very secretive of late.
How do you mean?
I'm suspecting that your father knows what happened to his brother.
Are you mad? What is wrong with you? How dare you lie to our son about me? How dare you?
You know that I was not lying to him. I was not lying to him.
Now listen. I don't know where your suspicion comes from. But what I will not want is for you to accuse me of something I did not do.
Swear that you did not do it.
Enough of this madness. How can you accuse me without proof?
What was that blood doing on your cloth the night before your brother's body was found?
What are you insinuating, woman?
I am not insinuating anything. I am putting it to you that you killed your brother.
I can see your madness has gone to another level. But I will tame it for you. I will tame you!
You cannot do me anything.
All right.
Chidalo,
Mama!
how can you believe him?
Why won't I believe him, Mama? Why won't I believe my father? Uncle Anyekwe was a wicked and cunning man.
Who told you that?
He told me everything, Mama. Father told me everything.
And you believed him?
How his brother deceived and made him look worthless before their father. The man deserved to die, and I'm happy he did.
Chidalo, when did you become this evil-hearted? Chidalo Ozikwe, what is wrong with you? Your father lied to you, and you believed
it. It is you that lied against him.
Eh?
Yes!
Chidalo, this afternoon.
Mama, my father has no hand in his brother's death. As for Anyekwe, I hate him now with passion.
Chidalo, you know Zipia?
No.
Oh. I'm sorry that I have not come to see you all this while. I have been so busy with farm work. How are you doing?
I'm fine. I understand. Welcome once again. Oh,
thank you, my sister. How is Toby?
She went to the farm.
There's something that brought me here. I came to discuss with you about my husband.
I hope all is well.
I wish I can answer you that question. That man has become so secretive that I suspect he's becoming evil.
How do you mean evil?
These days, he has gotten into a lot of negative activities. And he does not share anything with me at all. But that man has succeeded in deceiving my son.
I think I know one of the things your husband is hiding from you.
Eh?
He has been coming here, disturbing me to marry him.
Yes, again.
When my husband was alive, he came once. But since my husband died, he has been coming here every day, disturbing me.
Are you serious?
One name, please. Warn him. Warn him, Makiru Emilioko. I don't want to bathe him with hot water.
Hey!
Pico, warn him. I never wanted to tell you. Manoko si wedi. Biko, just warn him for me. Though. Thank you.
Hey!
You know, Chidalo's mother came here this morning and told me that her husband has succeeded in deceiving their son. So that explains his behavior towards you.
Then he must be a fool.
I wish there's a bigger word to use than fool. That boy surprised me.
Mama, I don't care if he likes me or not. That one is his business. I don't care.
Well, we have to be very careful. The woman also told me that her husband has become very evil. And that is an indication that she does not support what he's doing.
Let him not step his feet into this compound. He should go and practice his evil practice elsewhere, not in this compound. I will come on now.
Wow. Oh, wow.
Come now, let's go inside.
What am I?
Let's go inside now, huh? Look, you're my wife. Huh? If I go outside now, you say I'm a womanizer. Come, let's go inside.
Go and tell Chiwemma to go inside there with you.
What are you talking about?
Oh, you think I won't find out? Mbogo, hi, are you not ashamed of yourself? A poor widow that her husband just died less than 2 months. You have been pressurizing her to marry you.
Look. One more word from you and you will have it hot with me this afternoon.
I will not have anything hot with you, Bob. Other men are in the farm, working. And you are looking for who to sleep with. This hot afternoon, Bob, lazy man, go and look for what to do. Okay.
Are you talking to me?
Yes, I am talking to you.
Yes. Oh, I thought you were better than your stupid father. Not knowing you are so foolish and so callous.
Repeat what you just said.
You heard me. You heard me, Chidalu. You think by joining forces with your father will make you be a brave man? No, you disappointed me. Look at you. You disappointed me.
Hey! How dare you talk to me like that? How dare you?
You slapped me.
Yes, I slapped you. Let this be the first and the last you will talk about me and my father.
Chidalu, my mother will hear this.
My mother will hear this!
Oh, your mother. I thought you want to go to Adigwe. Let me see your mother's legs in my house, and I will cut them for her.
What is it?
I can't see anything.
What do you mean you can't see anything?
I can't see anything. Hey.
You can't see me? Mama.
But you take it up.
I can't mind.
I can't see.
Oh yeah, Ukwaja. Chelu go de.
I can't see. Please blow into my eyes.
Naja, Puzugo. Mepeziani.
I can't see.
Huh?
Who see? Hey,
Mama.
Your mother is blind though. Your mother is blind though.
Mama.
How could you see you?
No. It's a lie. It's a lie.
How could you see you?
Hey! Mama, I don't know. Imo, I don't know. No, now, Mama, how can? How can? No, go deeper, go deeper, go deeper. I don't know, go down. Come on, say now. Come to Puchaga now. Come my name. Yes, what? Mama, let me see. Tobe. Tobe Chuku. Tobe Chuku. Open my eyes. Obu his.
Agua.
Evil man. Welcome.
Is that your new way of greeting?
Why did you make her blood? You should have just killed her the way you killed her husband. Why put her through this misery?
It is you that I will kill if you don't stop wagging your tongue before me. What is wrong with you? Huh?
You have started again, Abi. Abasugoi. Anyway, welcome.
Jebutem, go and give me my food.
Yes, my husband.
I fear for you, my daughter. I fear for you. For as long as that wicked man is still alive, your life is not safe.
Mama, are you saying he might be connected to what happened to you?
I really do not know. I don't know.
It's okay, Mama. It's okay. Oh, I believe after the sacrifice, you will be fine. Go on him.
I hope so.
Good. So, can I bring your food now?
I'm not hungry.
Please, Mama. You have to eat. You've not eaten since last night. Mama, wipe your tears. Oh? Ezeonu.
But I'm not hungry.
No, but here, Mama. I want you to eat. Pico. Oh, I want you to be alive for me. Oh. Stop all these things you're doing. Oh. And bring your food so you eat. Oh.
What are you doing on my father's land?
Young girl, is this your new way of greeting?
To hell with your greetings, sir.
Did you just speak to my father like that?
Yes! What is he doing on my father's land? Can you
And who is your father?
Oh. Your uncle that loved you so much.
So pathetic.
Young girl, I've noticed that of late the way you address me with your insults. And so, look, let me tell you, this should be the last time you address me that way.
Mazimbog is a lie. If you don't take your filthy legs out of this land,
Chidalo, what are you waiting for? Take this filthy thing away.
Stay away from me, oh.
Take this filthy
Stay
thing
away from me.
Get out.
Get out. Get out.
Take this filthy
Stay away from me. Come, get out. Stay away. Stay away from me. Away from me.
How would you say I should allow them to take that land? How would you, Mama?
For peace to reign, Tobechukwu.
To hell with the peace. Mazimbog and Chidalu can never take that land. I'd rather report them to the Igwe.
And you think he has not seen the Council of Elders? Nanyangwam, he has this whole thing well planned out.
I don't want to know. They will never take that land.
They will not.
What would you do? Can you fight a man with a son?
So, Mama, because I'm not a man, that is why Chidal threw me out of my father's land. Eh?
Mom, just take it easy. Look at your poor mother. What can we do in this condition? We cannot fight him. We cannot fight a man with a son. Biko, try and see reasons with me. If what he wants is the land, let him have it.
Oh? Mama,
Biko. See reasons with me. Let him take the land. Biko.
Mama, it's because of you. It's because of you. If not, Chidalu will kill me.
Mama, I said good afternoon.
What is it? Ogin?
What is the problem?
I don't need your meeting. Continue deceiving yourself. Chidalo, let me tell you. If you continue in this path that you're following with your father, it will end up in regret. So,
Mama.
Yes,
Mama, if it is because of that farmland, Biko, Papa is right. The land belongs to his late brother, a man who is no more. So Papa should take over. Since the brother had no son.
Listen to yourself. Your father has ended up brainwashing you, and you sheepishly followed him. I am very disappointed.
Mama, I don't even care about this thing you're saying, you know. I don't care. All I know is that Papa is right in whatever decision he takes as a man. I don't expect this from you.
Let me kill you this afternoon and let you know that I'm the one that gave birth to you. I regret it when people tell me that I'm your mother. I'm trying to show you the right path and you're misbehaving.
Oh, Nnem. How are you doing?
No more, I don't know the difference between night and day now.
Hey. Take it easy, oh. It will be okay.
I pray so.
I am so sorry that I have not come to see you from the last time I came. My husband and I, we have been at war all this while.
Really? And I thought you have joined forces with him.
Eh?
Especially the way he took my husband's land from me.
Chukwamankwe. Ha. Ever since he connived with his son against me. Chiwemma, I will talk to my own son. He will not listen to me.
Hey.
There is nothing about me that concerns them anymore. Chiwemma,
don't cry. Don't cry, my sister. Oh.
Life has been so unfair to me.
I know. Just take it easy. Just for a while and everything will be fine. There's no way darkness will overshadow light. It's not possible.
I have prayed to my God to fight this battle for us. To fight our enemies so that this evil will not consume us.
let us continue praying. I know that one day we all will be free. Oh?
Hey, Chinwe nwanne m na-enu gị. Ya tagbukwa n'onwe anyị n'afọ Chinwe nwanne m.
I don't want to cry.
Ebena.
I don't want to cry. Biko. It is well.
Chinwemma, how are you doing?
Bob, what are you doing here?
Chinwemma, you are still so pretty, even in blindness.
I ask you again, what do you want?
You don't ask me that kind of question. Ask me what I want, because I'm sure you know it.
Leave here.
Chinwemma, see what you have done to yourself. No sight. What a pity.
I know you're behind all this. My instinct tells me that.
Then your instinct must be very superb. What if I've done that to you to make you come back to your senses? You see, when a man is in love, he goes to any extent to get what he desires. I have cut so many obstacles to get to you, my dear.
So many obstacles, like my husband, right?
Don't put words into my mouth. I have come here to give you a last chance to save the situation.
Go to hell and burn to ashes in Bogo.
Chinwemma, be my wife, and you shall be free.
My God will judge you. My God will judge you.
All right. All right. All right, I will go. But remember that I've offered you my help. I wish you good luck for what is to come.
Nothing is to come. Nothing is to come. You have done everything. I wish my daughter was here. Just get out. Beast. Ekwensu. My God will judge you. God will definitely judge you.
Chinwemma,
No.
I thank you very much for honoring this invitation. We called you here based on disturbing reports we have been getting from Mbog concerning his dreams. I know it sounds funny calling for a meeting just to discuss about a dream, but Mbog has been complaining so much that we have to take a decision.
Yes.
So, Mbog, I want you to narrate this dream again for us.
I had this dream not once, not twice. It kept recurring. And in the dream, I saw my brother weeping in his farm. So I decided to move closer to him. And he was weeping and complaining how his wife killed him.
What? What? Ogini? Mbago! You are a liar.
Mbogo, I said you are a bloody liar.
Okay, sit down. Okay, I said sit down. I don't know his relevance in this meeting. Huh? How can you talk?
I am her only brother. And I brought her to this meeting. So I deserve to be here. You wicked man.
Look, I will not sit down here and watch you insult me. Okay. One more word from you. Then you leave us. What's wrong with you? So, like I said, this dream was recurring. And in the dream, my brother Adigwe begged me. He begged me to make sure that his killer doesn't go free.
All right, we have had you involved. Chinwemma.
No.
Do you have anything to say in this matter?
Nani, I don't have anything to say. I don't blame Mazimbog. I blame the gods who allowed him to sit here and accuse me of something I did not do. I don't blame him. Whatever he wants to say, let him go ahead and say.
So you see, she doesn't even deny it. She killed my brother.
Chinwemma, we have heard your denial, but there is only one way to find out if you are truly innocent of this. You will swear an oath to prove your innocence.
How can all of you allow this wicked man to deceive you? Mbogo here has an evil intention. Simply because he wanted to marry my sister. And my sister disagreed. He now frames stories here and there against her. I am disappointed. If there is anyone to be suspected on this Adigwe's death, it is you, Mbogo. It is you! It is you!
Look, I will not sit here and watch
it is you
and watch you insulting me. Mbog, please calm down. Calm down. Okay. If you don't shut up your mouth, I will shut it for you. Afana Sadonogi.
Brother Biko Uzugo, my elders, please pardon my brother's outburst. I know there is absolutely nothing I will say here now that will prove to you that I'm innocent than to swear to an oath. I will do it.
Well, you see, that's what I want. I do not want to believe what my brother said, but if it's her swearing an oath to the gods, well, let it be.
Yes, it is certain.
Yes.
Chinwemma, you will have to appear before the mask of Nkalago in 3 days' time for the oath. You heard me?
Go and get this and
Have you gone to perfect your arrangement with the elders? So you people can take Chinwemma to swear at the shrine to prove her innocence.
What are you talking about?
Mbogo. Hi! I will go to that same palace and I will expose you. I will tell them how you have been pressurizing that poor woman to marry you less than 2 months after her husband died. You know I will do it.
Urenna, been suspecting that your madness runs in your bloodline. How can you say such a thing to me?
If you like, call me a mad woman. I will go back to that palace and I will expose you. I will tell them what I saw the night before your brother's corpse was found. Memia.
Don't push me. You hear me? I said don't push me.
Bogo. Evil old man. I will tell them what you have done. Shameless man. Kevin and Elm.
We shall see. You are sweeping, eh? How do you do?
What did you do to me?
I didn't do anything to you.
What did you do to me?
I didn't do anything to you.
What did you do to me?
I didn't do anything to you.
Mogo, help me.
Why should I help you when you have the mind of exposing me in this village? Huh?
You can't stop me.
Yes. I can't stop you, of course. I can't stop you. I can't stop a woman who is on the verge of dying. In case we meet in the next life, remember never to challenge Borgo. Right? Why are you still crying? Pull yourself together. Huh? The news came to me as a shock. She was sweeping the compound this morning. She did not complain of any sickness.
I can't still believe Mama is gone. God, why? Why my mother? Though we were not in good terms, but I needed her alive. I need my mother's warmth. Why will she just die like this, Papa? Why?
We cannot question God, can we?
I thought she would be alive to see my wife and my children. Can life be this cruel?
Pull yourself together. Why do you cry like somebody who has no hope? I am still here, your father.
But I love her, Papa. I love my mother.
I love her too. What are you doing in my house? What are you doing in my house?
You think after killing your brother, you will rope my sister into it?
How dare you come to my house to accuse me? Huh? Leave my house now or I will...
Or what? Come closer to me with this your cutlass and I will crush you with this your cutlass and tell you how I have been dying to crush you with my bare hands. You want to bury the truth with oath taking. It will not work. There are three things that can never be buried. The sun, the moon, and the truth. There's no way you cross the truth. It must rise again. Mark my words.
Let the gods mark it for you. If the gods spare your sister after the oath taking, then no problem. Why are you getting so disturbed about this? Maybe you and your sister have something to hide.
You are the one that has something to hide. Wicked man. You are very wicked. Anyway, I am here to tell you to stay away from that land. Stay away from that Adigwe's land. It doesn't belong to you.
Who are you to tell me to stay away from my brother's property? Huh?
Your brother's property, Okoya?
Yes.
You will not stay away, Okoya. You will hear from me after the oath taking.
You should be more concerned about the oath taking that will take place tomorrow than worrying about the land that rightfully belongs to me.
Your land, Okoya?
Yes, it belongs to me. Look, my brother had no son before he died, so the land belongs to me. Anyway, I don't owe you any explanation to this, so leave my house.
No problem. No problem. We shall see. We shall see. Oh.
Go out. Get out. God, this fool.
Today, you prove your innocence before the great mask of Nkalago, the great oracle of the 7 black seas of Ogwako. Now you will swear before the great Nkalago your innocence. You don't need to fear, as long as your heart is free from evil. Okuafo. Mwaragudike. Oru ka sheru. Oru ka sheru. Maja mambe na monke boke. I want you to cross this offer 7 times on your head.
the great goddess of the 7 seas of Uguako, I come before you with a broken and contrite spirit. I come to you this day to swear to my innocence concerning my husband's death. If what I have said here today is untrue, visit me with your due punishment.
Nkalago come on. How can you come? Omega cause me here. Moja jamba. Oh come on.
I knew it. I knew that my brother Anyekwe would have lived longer if this woman had not cut off his life.
No!
Hi.
My sister is innocent, please.
It is a pity. But the wicked must not go unpunished.
Please, spare her life, wise one. Let us take her to Adigwe for a proper judgment.
The gods have judged her fairly.
You must know this.
No, things are not done like that. Bobo, we still have to take her to the Igwe, who will pass a final judgment on her. Or have you forgotten how we handle evil people in this land?
Please, my sister is innocent. Please, my sister is innocent. Oh.
Are you saying that our God is the
This world is wicked, oh. This world is wicked. Life is so unfair to me. Hey, God. God, why would you allow such a thing to happen to me? What have I done? What have I done? Hey. Hey! Waka Jaka! Waka no! Why would you do this to me?
Biko, stop crying.
Hey, Chinekenna, I want to die. Let me go.
No.
Let me go and stay with my husband. This one is wicked. Why would God allow such a thing to happen to me? Why would he banish me? What did I do? I did not kill my husband. Sister, I had no reason to.
Sister, it is not the fault of the Igwe. Because I've already passed their judgment on you. That is it.
The gods are very unfair. Why would they pass an unfair judgment on a blind widow? A poor blind widow. Hey. Leave me, I want to die.
It's all right.
That
is not the end of life.
It is. It is the end of my own life. Oh. It is the end of my life. Where do I go from here?
I know it's not. I know it's hard for you. It is hard for me too. Oh,
do you know any other place? But this village, tell me. Oh, Ifugono! Oh, Ifugono! I don't know where to go from here.
Sister, why not go to Amopo? Let's go to Amopo.
Who will I stay with them?
You can start a new life with Tobe.
Please.
Hey!
Oh, this world is unfair.
I'm here with you. Oh.
This world is unfair. Only me blind, only me a widow.
Hey.
Only me banished. Ah!
No.
Sister, Biko, Sister Biko. You are hurting yourself. You have to move on with life. Let Umbo go. Take everything.
Hey.
Be strong for me and your daughter, Tobechuku.
Hey.
Biko,
move on with
please.
Life. One them, where is my life? My life is finished. Come on,
Everything in life gets a time to sleep, a time to rise, a time to hide, a time to fight, a time to cry, a time to smile. Oh, one day, if you're cook, I show you. One day, things will not be the same again. One day, if it's only so captive. Oh, one day you will smile again. Nothing there lasts to surely come to an end. Oh, everything we get beginning wants to get the end. Oh, yeah. One day, yeah. One day.
Yes, I was sleeping, but when I realized you left the bed, I knew all is not well. What is it?
Mama, I'm fine.
Tobechukwu, I am blind, but I can feel things. Tell me what it is.
Mama, I said I am fine. Oh?
Don't make a mockery of my blindness. Tell me what the problem is.
Mama, there's nothing to worry about, okay? Just that I blame my God for creating me a woman instead of a man. I would have challenged that Mazinborg and his so-called son.
Tobechukwu, please. Don't talk like that. God has a purpose of creating you this way.
For me to be mocked. Eh? Don't tell me, Mama. I hate whoever that created me this way. Ezeonu.
Tobechukwu, don't speak blasphemy. God is not man. Chukwuade Ezuzu. His wisdom is beyond human comprehension. God will never forsake you, Mama, my child.
Yes, God has forsaken me by making me like this. By creating me like this. Eh? If I was a man, I would have challenged everybody in that village.
So, what do you intend to do? Can you recreate yourself? Huh?
I know I cannot recreate myself. Okay? I'm angry, Mama. I don't know what to do. I'm so angry.
Tobechukwu, it's okay. This is my grandmother's village. Here is very peaceful. They don't harass people. They don't intimidate people. Or has anyone intimidated you since we came? Eh?
No one has ever visited from this village.
Good. Let's just try and be positive. And be very calm. Let us hope and pray that we will be able to forget Mazinborg and the people of Umoji. Please.
Don't forget that man. No?
It's okay.
Everything in life gets a time to sleep, a time to rise, a time to hide, a time to fight, a time to cry, a time to smile. Oh, one day, if you're cook, I show you. One day, things will not be the same again. One day, if it's only so captive. Oh, one day. smile again. Nothing they last to surely come to an end. Oh. Everything we get beginning wants to get the end. Oh. Yeah. One day, yeah. One day. Everything in life gets a time to sleep, a time to rise, a time to hide, a time to fight, a time to cry, a time to smile. Oh, one day, if you're cool, I show you. One day, things will not be the same again. One day, if it's only so happy, one day you will smile again. Nothing they last to surely come to an end. Oh. Everything we get beginning wants to get the end. Oh. Yeah. One day, yeah. One day.
You like it, huh?
Very good. It's a good man.
Nana.
You have to go and bring more.
I will bring more. I'm going to bring more.
Onya? Tobe? Who is that? Who was that?
Nobody.
Maybe it was an animal you saw.
No. I think someone is peeping us, Mama.
Eh?
No. I think someone is peeping us.
What is it?
Very good.
I'm
there.
So?
Everything in life gets a time to sleep, a time to rise, a time to hide, a time to fight, a time to cry, a time to smile. Oh, one day, if you're cool, I show you. One day, things will not be the same again. One day, if it's only so happy.
Maybe it was an animal.
It's not an animal. I don't want anybody to see us in this village, you know?
I will be your eyes to see the world and see the things that you cannot see. Yeah. I will be your hands to touch the things and feel the things that you cannot feel. Yeah. I will be your legs, yeah, to stand the ground, run the race when the time will come. I will be your strength, to hold the things and fight the battles that you cannot fight. I'll be your hero. I will be your hero. I'm gonna check what you. Yeah, me, I'll be your hero. Your hero, the one who will fight for you, stand for you, look after you. Oh yeah. Hey yo. Yeah. I will be your eyes to see the world and see the things that you cannot see. Yeah. I will be your hands to touch the things and feel the things that you cannot feel. Yeah. I will be your legs, yeah, to stand the ground, run the race when the time will come. Child, I will be your strength, child, to hold the things and fight the battles that you cannot fight. I'll be your hero. I will be your hero. I'm gonna check what on you. Yeah, me, I'll be your hero. Your hero.
I have to do this. I cannot appear again before these villagers. They intimidate my mother and I. We have suffered enough humiliations already, and I will not allow further humiliation. Oh God. I just hope I'll look very convincing as a man, because that is what I'm going to become as from today. God. Okay.
I will be your eyes to see the world and see the things that you cannot see. Yeah. I will be your hands to touch the things and feel the things that you cannot feel. Yeah. I will be your legs, yeah, to stand the ground, run the race when the time will come. Child, I will be your strength, child, to hold the things and fight the battles that you cannot fight. I'll be your hero. I will be your hero. I'm gonna check what on you. Yeah, me, I'll be your hero. Your hero, the one who will fight for you, stand for you, look after you.
I done them.
One them, brother,
I done them.
brother. Hi, welcome to my new home. No. Hey, welcome.
I'm happy. This house is still in order.
When it was not this good though when we came, but your daughter Tobechuku amended everything, but we are fine now.
That's good to hear. What of Tobe?
She went to the stream.
To touch the things and feel the things that you cannot.
I can help myself.
When how is your family?
We are fine. We are still managing as usual.
No.
Sister, I brought you more akwojuku oil.
Hey.
I hope it will help to reduce the itching.
It will. It surely does. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Brother, I don't know what to offer you. You know, your daughter is not around. Unless you will wait for her. I'm not really conversant with everywhere here.
Oh, no. Sister, you don't have to worry yourself. I'm alright. I am so happy the way you accepted this place wholeheartedly. And the worries I used to see on your face are no more.
Brother, thank you. Thank you. You have really encouraged me.
See, sister, there's a reason for everything.
I know. Thank you for your encouragement. Thank you for the oil.
Kiru,
leave me alone.
What is wrong with you? Do you realize what you just did?
I've told you times without number, I'm not interested in Amobi.
What are you talking about? You're not interested in Amobi. Is that the reason you walked out on him and his family? Do you realize that it's very disrespectful?
I don't owe him or his family any respect. This is my life. I choose to do what I want to do with it.
Please, the very right thing to do is to go back inside and apologize to them.
I will do no such thing.
What is wrong with you? Where is your sense of respect? You can't just walk out on them like that.
I've told you, I will not go back there. And please, Ekena, leave me alone.
Nkiru, you're making the very wrong decision. Please, let us go to you. You're supposed to be there. You're not supposed to walk out on them like that. Come on, just go inside and say you're sorry.
Just let me be, please. I beg you, leave me alone.
This sun is getting too much. Let me keep a seat for you somewhere. Mayo. Here's the chair. No, don't. Sit down. There's a tree at the back. You can even relax.
Oh, one name, thank you.
Hey. Let me drop this oil inside.
Oh.
Sister, I have to start going.
Oh, won't you wait for your daughter to come back?
No. I have to start going. Workers are at my farm. So take care of yourself.
Oh, I will. You want to greet your family for me? Oh.
Okay. Who are you?
Onya? One name. Brother? Who is that? Okay.
Sister, I'm coming.
Okay.
Who are you?
Ah,
I can't believe it. Why are you dressed like this?
Uncle, I am sorry I had to dress like this. I don't want anybody that will be intimidating my mother and I, just like our wicked uncle did.
But I told you I will protect you.
I know, Uncle. But you're not always there to do so. Huh? I have to make people believe that she has a son, not a daughter. Uncle. Nobody knows me in this village. I have never visited anybody in this village. So they believed the moment I told them that I'm a man. Please, Uncle.
You just have to be very careful. Because if you are caught, you will be punished. I don't want any trouble.
I know, Uncle. I know, but I will take care of myself. You don't have to worry. Please.
Yeah, but did you tell your mother about that?
No, Uncle.
You better tell her. You better tell her before she will implicate you.
I will, Uncle. I will. Please.
Okay.
I will.
Okay.
So how do I look now?
Funny. Sister?
I was asking you who the person was. Ibamunkiti. Eh? Who was that?
It's somebody that came to look for Tobe. He has just left.
Hey, I hope she has not found herself into trouble. Oh.
Mama, I'm here.
Tobe Chukwu? Hi. So you have been here and have been shouting Ibamunkiti. Eh? Because go and look for something for your uncle to eat.
No, sister. When next I come, I will eat. I have to run back now and meet the people in my farm.
Ngwano. Greet your wife and children for me.
Okay.
Thank you for the oil.
Take care of yourself.
Oh.
Let me escort you, Mama.
Oh, Mama Ngwano.
Bye-bye.
Oh, bye, one name.
My daughter, you shouldn't have left that way. That is very, very insulting.
I'm sorry, Father, but I meant no disrespect. It's just that I don't love him.
Father, what nonsense is she talking about? Can she please tell us why she would not want a very handsome and rich man like Amadi? Like, can she give us one reason why?
Love, that's the reason, love.
What do you even know about love?
Because that is what has kept you unmarried, because you're searching for the right person.
Kiru, I am a man!
And I am a human being. You don't push me to do what I don't want to do.
Father, Do you see how she's running her mouth before me?
Enough! Two of you. I didn't call you here for a fight. My daughter, of all the suitors requesting your hand in marriage, that young man, Amadi, has shown great willingness to have you as a wife. Why don't you give him a chance?
But father, I don't love him. I don't want him. Maybe he's nice or anything. I don't love him. Love doesn't come that way. It takes time.
Papa, I don't understand. I don't understand why this girl is still laying too much emphasis on love.
Because it's everything in marriage. And I expect you to understand that if you claim you are my elder brother.
If you ever speak to me, that's it. Out of you.
You don't try that before me.
And she just walked out on us, Papa. Did you see how she just walked out on us? Father, this nonsense has to stop. This has to end. Father, please talk to her. This has to end. She has to marry Amobi. She has to marry Amobi, Papa. She will marry Amobi.
Mama, give me.
Don't worry. I will finish all of them. Don't worry. I will finish everything.
That I'm blind does not mean I will not notice when my daughter is in a happy mood. Tobe, why are you this happy?
Well, Mama, I met some new friends today and they promised to teach me hunting.
Really?
Yes, Mama.
Ah, that's nice. I'm happy you're adapting.
Yes, Mama. Yes. Mama, do you know that these people, they are very friendly and accommodating?
Yeah.
I mean, I wish you can see it by yourself.
Indeed, God has a purpose for bringing us this far. I'm sure He did it to hide us from your wicked uncle. We are surviving.
Well, Mama, I hope to learn hunting so I can be selling most of the bush meat I get from the forest.
So, when are they teaching you this hunting?
Tomorrow, Mama. Yes.
Let me help you.
No, Mama, like I said, don't worry. Don't put your hand here.
I can do it.
No.
My princess, your food is ready.
I'm not hungry.
Huh?
Go.
Okay, my princess.
My princess.
What's the problem? You have not eaten since morning.
I'm not hungry.
But my princess, you should have eaten something.
I need to be left alone.
My princess.
Please leave.
Sorry, my princess.
Mona chimo dị na mma, anyị agaghị enwe nsogbu. Mona chimo dị na mma. Mona chimo dị na mma, anyị agaghị enwe nsogbu. Mona chimo dị na mma.
Mama.
Eh?
Tuomo Odogwu.
Ah. What happened?
Mama, I'm back.
No,
Tuomo Odogwu nwoke. Tuomwa gi Odogwu nwoke, Mama.
What happened?
Mama.
Huh?
You can't see, you would have seen what I got. Mama, do you know that my friends were surprised how I learned how to shoot? I got this bush monkey.
Hey, bush monkey?
Yes.
I am proud of you, my daughter. You're like a son.
Mama, I am your son. And please stop calling me your daughter.
Oh, Mom. So, what do you intend doing with it? Are you selling it or roasting it?
No, I'm not going to sell it though. I mean, you know that this is the first time I'm getting this. And I have to roast it. And we'll celebrate with it. Maybe from tomorrow, I'll start selling the ones I get.
That's a good idea.
Yes.
I'm going to go and make fire, oh?
Mama, for now, I want to eat first.
Come
here.
No, Ungam.
Thank you.
Is there anybody there? Tobechuku? Did you see anyone there?
But I think someone is watching us, Mama.
When you start seeing imaginary things, that means you're really very hungry.
Mama, you might be right.
I am right.
For something to eat.
I'm right. Go and eat.
Papa? 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 Papa,
Oh, what is it? Bye. What is it?
Papa?
Yes?
I thought you said you are bringing the food. We are very hungry. We have been there since morning, waiting for you.
Go back to the farm. I'll bring the food later. Go back.
So this is the reason you...
Go back to the farm, I say. I'll bring the food later.
How are you?
Fine,
No. Welcome. No. Yeah. Thank you.
Mama, they are my friends. The ones that taught me how to hunt.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, my children. Thank you for taking Tobe as one of your own.
Mama, he's smart and agile.
That's why he learned quickly. No doubt, he will take good care of you.
So, what can I offer you people?
Nothing, actually. We're on our way to the farm. And you know we work for people for money. Yes.
Happy to hear this. So can I join you people?
Of course, if Mama agrees.
We even have 3 people to work for today. So if you're willing, you can join us so we finish the work on time.
But I don't have tools.
No, Tobe, no. Don't worry. We will go through my place. I have 2 holes. You could be using mine for the meantime.
Mama.
Huh?
I will go with them.
No problem. If you have the strength.
I have the strength. Yeah? Are you okay here?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Just be careful. Oh?
Wait, Don't worry, I'll be careful.
Why were they referring to Tobechukwu as a he? I hope she has not started behaving like a man.
Who is that? Who is that? Onyekwa Ogini. Who is that? Tobe, Mama, who is that? Mama.
You said you wanted to rest.
I wanted to rest, but I remembered something. Let me ask you
Look after you.
There's no problem.
Just that those your friends that came visiting. I don't understand why they should be addressing you as a he instead of a she. Why?
Thank God you did not address me as your daughter. Well, Mama, I've thought about so many things. The pains, the humiliations we went through in the hands of my uncle. So, just because I'm not a man, so I decided to become a man.
Hey, you became a man. How?
Mama, I started dressing like a man.
Shimo. Hey, Tobechukwu, why would you do a thing like that?
Mama, I don't want us to pass through any challenge in this village, Mama. Please. I don't want people to humiliate us again, just like they did the other village. Come.
Bia, Tobechukwu, do you know the consequences of what you have done? Now that you have made them believe you're a man, who is going to marry you?
Mama, allow me to worry about that. Please. Mama, I want to have this feel of being a man. I want to have this feel of being a man. Mama, please. Mama, look at me now. I can go anywhere. I can go to the farm. I can do anything I want to do. Mama, see reasons with me, please. Be cool.
I should see reasons with you? This is insane.
I know. You can call it anything, but I know what I'm protecting. all I know is that I'm now your son. Please, and from now onwards, please, don't address me like your daughter.
Stand the ground, run the race. When the time will come, I will be your friend. To hold the things and fight the battles that you cannot.
Abunwata n'ụlọ nne m inine. Abunwata n'ụlọ nna m inine. Mburite je itu mmiri inine. Mburite je itu mmiri inine. Ini no koko, ini no koko, ini no koko, inine. Yes, my princess.
Thanks for putting a smile on my face.
Anything for you, my princess. But promise me you won't go back to your sad mood.
I wish I can promise you that. My father and my brother, they prefer seeing me sad with their annoying requests.
Can you share that with me, my princess?
It is what you know that concerns my refusal to marry Amadi. My father and my brother has been on my neck to marry someone I do not love.
But my princess, I know Amobi. He's tall and handsome. Handsome enough to be every woman's dream.
I'm an exception, and please, don't sound like my father.
I'm sorry, my princess.
You know, they say happiness is everything in marriage. When you stay with the wrong man, you can never find happiness.
You're right, my princess.
And this is what I've been trying to let them understand. If only my mother is still alive, she won't want them to treat me this way. She values my happiness.
My princess, I understand. I really do.
This is what I've been trying to let my father see reasons with me. I'm just tired. I feel like I just want to die.
My princess, you won't die. Don't say that. The courts are alive. They are watching. Their will for you will come to pass. Don't cry, my princess. Oh, Omalicha, my princess. Don't cry. You'll be fine.
I will be your eyes to see the world and see the things that you cannot see. Yeah. I will be your hands to touch the things and feel the things that you cannot feel. Yeah. I will be your legs, yeah, to stand the ground, run the race when the time will come. I will be your strength, to hold the things and fight the battles that you cannot fight. I'll be your hero. I will be your hero. I'm gonna check what on you.
Who is there?
I'll be your hero. Your hero.
Who is that person?
The one who will fight for you, stand for you, look after you.
Come out or I'll shoot you. Who?
I'm the person you just caught.
That doesn't answer my question. I said, who are you? I shoot your manhood.
Okay. Okay, my name is Onyeka. And I'm the person you have always suspected to be peeping at you.
Oh, I see. So you've been the one peeping at me, right? Now say who you are. I'll report you to Adigwe.
Igwe, please don't. Don't report me. See, I actually took interest in you the moment you arrived this village. And I think you are very charming.
Don't come close to me or I'll shoot your manhood.
Please, don't shoot me. but what is wrong in admiring a pretty charming young girl like you?
How did you know I was?
Oh, that's... Come on, don't worry. Like I told you, I was your first neighbor. And meanwhile, that's a nice beard. Fine beard, fine girl. Are you surprised?
I will be your eye.
Mom, you said you have something to discuss with me.
Yes, Papa. It's about you getting married.
I thought we had had this discussion before. Well, I am still searching.
Papa, you told me you want to take a second wife since you feel lonely at nights, and I agreed. Since then, you have not even shown me one woman you want to marry.
Well, as I said, I am still searching.
How can you be searching, Papa? How can you be searching when you sleep all day with different women? You abandoned everything to me and spend most of your time frolicking around with different women.
Will you shut up? Will you shut up? Will you How dare you tell me how to run my life? Huh? How dare you?
I am sorry, Papa. I am sorry, but what?
But what? Huh? But what? Look, life has been so difficult for me since I lost your mother. And don't make it worse by being so inquisitive over nothing. I am still searching. That is why I'm testing some of them.
It is taking more time and money from you.
That is none of your business. I'm a man old enough to have become your father. So I know what is right for me. So you shut up and face your farm business as I told you. And this is the last time that this discussion will ever come up again. Annual fear.
My beautiful princess. Please, can you ask your maidens to leave?
Okay.
Thank you for that.
What is it? What do you want from me?
Princess, calm down and hear me out.
I said, what do you want from me?
Stop being aggressive. Princess, listen. What I have for you is genuine. I wish you can see through my heart to know how much I love you.
You don't know what love is all about.
Of course I know.
No, you don't, because if you do, you'll see that we don't share the same feelings. I don't love you, please.
Princess, please. Don't say that. I cherish you from head to toe.
Just leave me alone. I don't love you. When a woman says she doesn't love you, you get someone else. Excuse me.
Please, my princess, what can I do to win your love? Tell me.
Don't send the guards to call me again.
Why are you being so mean to me?
Who is that?
Nendewo.
Who are you and what are you looking for?
I'm Onyeka, a friend of the base.
Oh, welcome.
Thank you, Nne.
Hi, Tobe. Dear Kalia.
Nne, is she around?
Tobe! Tobe Chuku! Oh, welcome. Oh. Come, oh. Your friend is here. Tobe? Do you know him?
Yes, Mama.
Ah.
Mama, I'm coming. What are you doing here? What do you want?
You!
I warned you to stop coming here. Now get out!
You did.
Before I use my gun.
Oh, not so fast. Not so fast. You see, I discovered you're scared of intimidation. That's why you chose to hide under a mask. And I happen to be the only one who knows about this little secret of yours.
Is that a threat?
Oh, not a threat. I've not come to threaten you. You see, I've only come to ask for permission to feel your lovely body. Or I will expose you to your friends.
And she rained all manner of insults on him. Please, ask her why.
Father, I don't want to believe you called me here to ask me of what happened yesterday.
Well, that is why he called you. And why won't you answer to that?
What is wrong with you?
I should be asking you that question. What is wrong with you, Nkiru? Where did you learn to disrespect father?
That is none of your business.
Really? Well, it is my business because I am your big brother. And I want the best for you.
The best indeed. Just stay away from my affairs.
Did you hear that, father? Well, I'm sorry to say, but I cannot stay away from your business because you are my sister. And listen, Nkiru, I want to see a wedding ceremony in this compound because you are ripe for it.
You are ripe for it, so if you are keen to see a wedding, why don't you go get yourself a wife?
How dare you talk to me like that? How dare you?
Shut up, the both of you. Shut up.
Did you hear what she does?
Sit down. Sit down. When has the issue of marriage become something to fight for?
Ask him, Father.
Will you shut up and return to your room?
But father, I called her here for you to talk to her and you asking her to go to her. You didn't even say anything to her.
Can't you see she have made her decision and nothing anyone will tell her?
That is the problem, father. What decision? Does she even have the right to make that decision? You are her father. You are her father and her king. You make the commands and she obeys. Just say it and she will obey you.
No, son. No. Let us not push your sister that way, lest we will all regret it. We must take it easy with her. After all, it's not a must that she will marry Amobi.
Father, you did not say that. You just did not say that one. I will pretend I did not hear you say that, Father. No, you did not say that. No, you did not say that, Father. You did not say that. You did not say that. She will marry him.
Ekena,
come back
here, my friend.
Ify.
Yes, my princess.
You've been singing, you know how to sing, but when I tell you to teach me, you keep on promising me.
Oh, my princess, forgive me. Don't worry, when we're coming back from the stream, I'll teach you how to sing.
Oh, okay. But can we just go fast? I don't want there to be crowded. I hate it when I tell people to leave the stream. It's embarrassing.
I understand you, my princess. I do. I really do. Well, you know you're the most beautiful girl in this village. I hope you do.
Stop it! Let her go! I'll shoot you!
Princess, my princess,
Hope you're okay.
Thank you for saving my life. Thank you so much.
It's okay. Hope you're okay now.
Yes. You didn't tell me your name.
I'm Tobe.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's okay, it's okay.
My princess. You have such a cute face and a cute voice. Can you come see me at the palace like some other time?
I will.
Okay. Thank you.
No, you can go.
No, I don't want them to carry me again. Please.
No, they will not carry you.
Are you sure? Yes. Okay, you are going to watch us. You are going to follow us.
Yes.
Okay, alright, thank you. Alright.
You had an encounter with the princess?
Mama.
Hey, Tobechukwu.
Mama, not like I had a fight with her. Just that I scared away some group of young men that wanted to rape her.
How did you do that?
Mama, I used my gun and scare all of them away. Instantly, Mama.
Hey.
Believe me, had it been they didn't run away, I will kill all of them, one mad life.
Hey, Tobechukwu. Tobechukwu, biko, no, don't hurt anyone. Eh? I don't want trouble. You know how we got here. Eh?
But Mama, they were after the princess.
Tobechukwu, biko, next time, just scare them away. Don't hurt anybody. You know how we got here. Biko, no, I don't want trouble.
I understand, Mama. I understand. Anyways, Mama, she invited me to the palace. She was so grateful that she invited me to the palace.
Huh?
Yes, Mama.
She invited you to the palace?
Yes, Mama.
Are you out of your mind? Eh? Alon Apode. Ha! Tobechukwu!
Mama, I don't understand. I'm going there tomorrow, Mama. She said I'm handsome. Mama Amaka.
Tobechukwu. Tobechukwu, do you want to implicate yourself? Have you forgotten who you are?
I've never forgotten that I'm a woman, Mama.
You still remember that, yet you want to visit her. Tobechukwu Bikono.
Mama, she invited me to the palace. That's all. I don't know what else she wants from me. Me, I cannot reveal my true identity to her. Anything she wants apart from that, I will not give it to her.
Tobe, I don't want trouble. Please, I just want peace of mind. I want to be sleeping and waking up in peace here. Pico.
It's okay. There's nothing to worry about. Oh? Nugo? Nemo?
I will be your eyes to see the world and see the things that you cannot see. Yeah. I will be your hands to touch the things and feel the things that you cannot feel. Yeah. I will be your legs, yeah, to stand the ground, run the race when the time will come. Child, I will be your friend, child, to hold the things and fight the battles that you cannot fight. I'll be your hero. I'm gonna make you part of you. Yeah, me, I will be your hero. Your hero, the one who will fight for you, stand for you, look after you.
What is happening? Why will my father leave everything to me? To suffer while he remains at home enjoying. Why am I being treated this way? Just look at the way I've been working since morning. Look at all these big space that I cleared. Yet he did not get to check on me to know if I have eaten or not. All he does is giving me instruction on what to do and what not to do. He's taking me for a fool. I am tired.
I'm glad you could come. Anything for you, my princess. Okay, let's go inside. I want to show you my father.
Your Highness, greetings.
Greetings, and how are you?
Thanks, Your Highness.
Father, this is the man that saved me yesterday.
Oh, is that?
Yes, Your Highness.
I am so grateful to you. And surely my daughter owes you her life.
No, Your Highness. She's a princess and she needs to be protected.
Yes, the guys have been punished for not following her to the stream. Now tell me, are you from this land?
No, Your Highness. But my blind mother is from this Ngozi village.
I think I have heard of her. So, once again, you are welcome to my palace.
Thank you.
Yes, please sit and what can we offer you?
Oh, no, Father. I want to take him around the palace.
I hope you're okay.
Yes. Okay. We can go.
Okay. Thank you, Your Highness.
Why are you still at home by this time? Are you not supposed to be in the farm?
No, Papa. I am not going anywhere.
What has gone into you? Do you know who you are talking to? Go to the farm now.
And I said I am not going anywhere, Papa. I am tired.
Since when have you become suddenly so lazy?
It is you that is lazy, Papa. You left all the farm work for me to handle. And all you do is to sleep around with different women.
How dare you talk to me
Don't
like
touch me, Papa. Don't touch me. Now I'm beginning to understand the reason you had problem with your late brother. You are too lazy. You are a lazy man, Papa.
Chidalo, so it has come to that extent of you challenging me in my own house?
I am not challenging you, Papa. But all I am saying is that I will not go to that farmland again unless you show some seriousness. Look at a young man like me. I don't even have time for myself. All I do every day is farm work. Why you sit at home and enjoy?
Chidalo, before I close my eyes and open them, I don't want to see you here now.
You can do anything you want to do, Papa. I will not go to that farmland. Never!
Chidalo. Chidalo.
I was told you were not around.
What do you want? I'm asking you, what do you want? I thought I've given you what you asked for.
No, my dear. I want more. I want more.
Don't dare me.
Otherwise, you do what? What will you do? Listen, the earlier you realize that I have vital information you do not wish other ears to hear, the better for you. So don't push me too. Don't push me.
Remember, I'm a man like you.
Really? You're very funny. Very, very funny.
What do you want?
Hey, now you are talking. See, I want access to your sweet body. The last time we had it, you were very, very sweet. So, let me just have it one more time. Let's just go inside and have another round. Sweet.
Don't touch me.
Come on.
Come back tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay, but let tomorrow be tomorrow. Because if you disappoint me, then your friends will be the first to hear before the entire villagers. Yeah? You know now. Sweet play. But before I go.
There is no time. Just hold on. Let me go get the medicine. Okay, I'm coming.
Takiru, who is that man with you? Hey, who are you? Who? Oh, really? So you are the reason my sister has been misbehaving?
No,
you are the reason.
Wait,
if you don't stay out of this, Takiru, get out! I will show you. I will teach you a lesson. You are the reason my sister doesn't listen to me. She doesn't listen to anything I say. God! God! If I hear one more word from you, God, take him to the back. You know what to do. Take him to the back. If I hear one more word.
My prince.
Move.
My prince.
I will.
Please. My prince.
Listen, I want you to strip him naked. I want to see some serious things all over his body. Do you hear me? What are you waiting for?
My prince. Please have mercy on.
Will you keep quiet?
Time. Just hold on. Let me go get the medicine. Okay, I'm coming.
Takiru, who is that man with you? Hey, who are you? Who? Oh, really? So you are the reason my sister has been misbehaving?
No,
you are the reason.
Wait,
if you don't stay out of this, Takiru, get out! I will show you. I will teach you a lesson. You are the reason my sister doesn't listen to me. She doesn't listen to anything I say. God! God! If I hear one more word from you, God, take him to the back. You know what to do. Take him to the back. If I hear one more word.
My prince.
Move!
My prince, please. My prince.
Listen, I want you to strip him naked. I want to see some serious wounds all over his body. Do you hear me? What are you waiting for?
My prince, please have mercy on me.
Will you keep quiet?
I'm the only child of your video. Be good now.
I said, keep quiet! Stop! Father.
Let him go.
Father, you don't even know who he is. Father, this is the idiot who has been deceiving Nkiru. Father, I need to teach him a lesson.
Let him go.
Father!
I said let him go! Now!
Thank you, Jimmy. Thank you, Father. Thank you.
They are all fine, sister. They send their regards and promise to come and see you soon.
That will be fine, oh brother. Let them come and see where fate has brought me. By the way, how is Mbog?
Mbog, that wicked man. He is there lazying about, following women here and there.
Brother, talk to me.
Mbogo has turned into a he-goat. He spends all his time and the money he stole with prostitutes. Each time you go to his house, young girls everywhere. That is it.
I can't believe this. Mbogo.
I am telling you, sister. You need to see how miserable he looks now. Just that you can't see.
What of his son?
He left the farm work for the poor boy, who worked day and night to keep the farm business going. While the father is there moving up and down with women and young girls, Adigwe is already complaining.
They have not seen anything yet. No evil man will go scot-free.
Exactly. What of Toby?
You mean my son? She's fine. Tobechukwu has decided to be called a man.
So she finally told you?
So you knew about it?
Last time I came, I saw her dressed like a man. When I asked her, she said she is using it to protect the family. Actually, she loves the way she looks now.
Tobechukwu is surprising me. I just pray she doesn't land us into trouble. It's true. She went for the Ofala dance practice. One name
at Adigwe's palace.
Today's own, I will manage to get you something.
No. Don't bother yourself.
That man is a gold digger!
Father, he's getting on my nerves. Please tell your son to leave me with my choices.
May I remind you that his son is your older brother!
Are you behaving like one? Are you? If you care about me so much, then that includes my emotions. You are not fit to be my elder brother. In fact, I'm leaving this palace.
Come back here, Ikenna.
Father, I'm sick and tired of the way I'm being treated in this palace ever since mother died. I have my own life to live. I bet that you two should kill me and just leave me alone.
Really? Father, did you hear that? Did you hear the nonsense she's speaking out of her mouth?
Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth! Do you realize what you are doing? You are breeding hatred with the way you are pushing her. No! It is not a must that she will marry Amobi. Yes!
Father, what are you talking about?
You heard me well?
No, you cannot be telling me that. Father, what did you just say?
So you are talking like a man that has lost his senses. Father, tell me, what will you benefit if she leaves the palace? The princess is my only daughter. The way you are my only son, and I cannot see her unhappy. So, we have to forget about Amobi.
Father, what are you saying? Father, you can't tell me that. Father, you just cannot take sides with her. Father, how can you just take sides with her? Father, you know all we have been through. Father, you know how much this means. Father,
just leave.
Papa,
get out of my sight now!
Tobe Chukwu.
Mama, you've called me severally and I've been answering.
How many times did I call you?
I can't remember.
Tobe Chukwu, I know you have good intentions for us. That is why you have decided to deceive people by choosing to be like a man. But you have to be careful. Especially now that you're getting closer to the princess.
Mama, is it because I told you that princess likes me?
Whether you told me or not, just be careful. Because this game you are playing is a very dangerous one. I heard that her brother, the prince, is very mean and unfriendly. Be careful.
How did you hear all these things?
Tobe Chukwu, biko, don't mock me. I know I am blind, but biko, don't add deafness to it. I don't want trouble, though. Be careful.
I don't understand your fears and all these things. Princess just likes me, and that's all.
I know. You told me. But you also told me that she almost kissed you today.
Mama, she thought I was a man. And you know I cannot do such a thing.
Tobe Chukwu, how long will you continue to deceive people? How long will you continue to keep your real self away from her? I don't want trouble. I am begging you. Biko, please.
So I hope the masquerades were well fed after the festival yesterday.
Yes, Papa, this year's Ofala festival was so well attended. I'm happy.
Everybody were happy, even the kings that came. I am happy for your efforts, son. Thank you.
Father, it is our kingdom, and it is my duty to help you set everything right.
No doubt you will make a fine king, my son. Next year festival will be more colorful, with you and your wife standing beside me.
I hope so, Father. I hope so, but more importantly, Father, I hope my sister gets back to her senses. It really worries me, the path she's taking, Father. It worries me.
Speaking of your sister in Kero, have you seen her since today?
No, Father, I have not. She will probably be in her room. Father, would you please talk to her?
Son, we just came out from the festival yesterday. I have not even sat with my council of elders. Let me do that first before we discuss about your sister. But meanwhile, tell one of the guys to call me the town crier.
Yes, Father.
Hope you enjoyed yourself yesterday.
Yes, I did. The festival was so colorful. I mean, so many people from different villages, eh? I like.
That's how it used to be every year. I saw you among the male dancers. You can dance well.
Thank you.
Have you been dancing before you came to this village, or you learned it here?
I learned it here, my princess.
Oh, you're a fast learner. You're very good. So tell me, how did you leave your place to this village?
It's a long story, my princess.
You can make it short and simple.
My mother was banished from our land.
Hey, what is it?
I can't see anything.
What do you mean you can't see anything?
I can't see anything. Hey.
You can't see me? Mama.
But you take it up. I can't see.
Oh, yeah, Ukwaja, Chelugodi.
I can't see. Please blow into my eyes.
Mama, Puzugo. Mepeziani.
I can't see.
Huh?
Who is see? Hey,
Mama.
Your mother is blind, though. Your mother is blind, though.
Mama.
How could you see you?
No. It's a lie. It's a lie.
How could you see you?
Hey! Ima, I don't know. Ima, I don't know. No, now, Mama, how can? How can? No, go deeper. I don't know, go down. Come on, say it now. Come to Puchaga now. Come on, your name. Say anything. Yes, what? Come on, let me see again. Tobe. What are you doing on my father's land?
Young girl, is this your new way of greeting?
To hell with your greetings, sir.
Did you just speak to my father like that?
Yes! What is he doing on my father's land? Can you
And who is your father?
Oh. Your uncle that loved you so much.
So pathetic.
Young girl, I've noticed that of late the way you address me with your insults. And so, look, let me tell you, this should be the last time you address me that way.
Mazimbog is a lie. If you don't take your filthy legs out of this land,
Chidalo, what are you waiting for? Take this filthy thing away.
Stay away from you.
Take this filthy
Stay
thing
away from me.
Get out.
Get out. Get out.
Take this filthy
Stay away from you. Come get out. Stay away. Stay away from you. Away from you. Why would you say I should allow them to take that land? Why would you, Mama?
For peace to reign, Tobechuku.
To hell with the peace. Mazimbog and Chidalu can never take that land. I'd rather report them to the Igwe.
And you think he has not seen the Council of Elders? Nanyangwam, he has this whole thing well planned out.
I don't want to know. They will never take that land. They will not.
What would you do? Can you fight a man with a son?
So, Mama, because I'm not a man, that is why Chidal threw me out of my father's land. Eh?
Mom, just take it easy. Look at your poor mother. What can we do in this condition? We cannot fight him. We cannot fight a man with a son. Biko, try and see reasons with me. If what he wants is the land, let him have it.
Mama,
Biko. See reasons with me. Let him take the land. Biko.
This world is wicked, oh. This world is wicked. Life is so unfair to me. Hey, God. God, why would you allow such a thing to happen to me? What have I done? What have I done? Hey. Hey, Waka Jaka! Waka no! Why would you do this to me?
Biko, stop crying.
Hey, Chinekenna, I want to die. Let me go.
No.
Let me go and stay with my husband. This one is wicked. Why would God allow such a thing to happen to me? Why would he banish me? What did I do? I did not kill my husband. Sister, I had no reason
Sister, it is not the fault of the Igwe. Because I've already passed their judgment on you. That is it.
The gods are very unfair. Why would they pass an unfair judgment on a blind widow? A poor blind widow. Hey. Wama Gugo, leave me, I want to die. Let me go enjoy my husband because
that is not the end of life.
It is the end of my own life. Oh. It is the end of my life. Where do I go from here?
I know it's not. I know it's hard for you. And it's hard for me too. Oh, Ezeonu.
Do you know any other place but this village? Tell me. Oh, Ifugono! Oh, Ifugono! I don't know where to go from here.
Sister, why not go to Amopo?
Huh? Let's
go to Amopo.
Who will I stay with them?
You can start a new life with Tobe.
Please. Hey! Oh, this world is unfair. This world is unfair. Only me blind, only me a widow. Hey. Only me banished. Ah! No.
Sister, Biko, Sister Biko. You are hurting yourself. You have to move on with life. Let Umbo go. Take everything. Hey. Be strong for me and your daughter, Tobechuku. Biko,
move on with please. Life. Where is my life? My life is finished.
My mother was banished from our land. She was accused of killing my father, but she's innocent.
Oh, that's so sad. I'm so sorry.
Thank you.
She's from this village?
No, my princess. We are living at our parents' house since they are no more.
Why don't you bring her to the palace for her to see my father?
Princess, I can't.
Why?
She's blind. She has been blind for 2 years now.
I'm so sorry. I understand the pain you passed through to take care of her. I'm very sorry. The gods, I believe the gods brought you here for a purpose. Maybe for you and I to be together.
My princess, I've never seen you this happy. What is the secret?
I think I'm falling in love.
Ah, I know. Finally. That's wonderful. So who is this lucky man?
The man you saw me with yesterday.
Okay, that man that rescued you from the rapist.
Yes, Tobe. Oh. What do you think?
I think he's gentle and nice.
That is the two things I like about him. I've never been this happy ever since my mother died. And he came into my life and made me smile.
My princess, you're in love.
You thought I was joking. I'm madly in love with him.
Have you told him?
No, but if he doesn't act fast, I will tell him.
My princess, don't. Don't now, so that you won't appear cheap.
That's true. But I just can't hold it the way he makes me feel. Anytime I'm with him, I feel some kind of way.
My princess. My princess.
I've warned you to stop coming to my house.
Yes, you have. But you see, I have the right to be visiting here anytime I want.
You don't have the right. This is my house.
See, I understand you are now friends with the princess. And I sense intimacy in that relationship. Oh, how shocking. How shocking it will be for the poor girl to discover she's falling in love with a fellow woman. You think so?
You dare not tell her that!
You think so? Now you listen to me. You will give me what I want now, or the princess will be the first to get the shocking news. Tomorrow you say. Fine, but I assure you that before cockroach tomorrow morning, you will have guts all over this place.
Please.
It's a dangerous game you're playing, and I'm happy to partake in it. So, are you giving me or not?
I will.
How you are talking?
Please. Tomorrow.
My children, how are you? I recognize your voices. Welcome, Ono. Come and eat coconut with me.
Thank you, Mama.
It's very sweet, oh. My brother brought it for me.
Thank you, Mama. We came to see today.
Oh, she went to the palace to see her friend, the princess. You can go there and see her.
Okay, Mama. We'll take her leave.
Thank you,
Mama. Maybe some other time.
Do I owe you any explanation as to where I'm going?
Has Magnus extended to this place?
It is your father, your entire generation, and all of you that are mad. Please get out of my way. I want to go and see Tobe.
Let her go with her choice.
How? How? Father, how can you even say that? You know how well I mean for my sister. You know how hard I've worked to make her marry Amadi. How can you come here to tell me to allow her marry that wretch she found? Father, how can you even say that?
She said that wretch is her choice. So we have to support her.
Never. Never, Papa.
Ekena, tell me, what is wrong with you? We have pushed your sister so hard. And she said she still prefers her choice. So let it be.
Father, have you forgotten she's a princess? Have you forgotten she as a princess, she needs to marry a wealthy man like Amadi, so that my sister will not have to lack anything all her life?
Of course she will not lack anything. I am the king and she is my daughter. She and her husband will have everything they so desired as long as I am the king of this kingdom.
Father, and that sounds right to you? That sounds right to you, Father? Are you supposed to be providing for them? No, she must marry Amadi.
Did I hear you say must? Again, let me ask you, why are you so keen on pushing her to Amadi? Tell me, is there something I must hear?
No, Father. I just love my sister so much. I want the best for her. That's all.
You can't lie to me, Ekena. You just use the word must. As if your life is dependent on your sister getting married to Amadi. I ask you again. There's something you are not telling me.
You are lucky.
How?
Do you know what the prince will do to you?
Have me killed or throw me out?
He would have done the worst by killing you or by sending his guards to burn down your house. I warn you.
I want you to be more careful with that your relationship with the princess. But you didn't listen to me.
Hey!
People are not laughing at me. It's only
Love indeed. Love. You know yourself more than every one of us here that you can't even afford her bill, not to talk of her clothes.
I know I don't want any of those things. I still have feelings for her.
Your feelings for her would have earned you a place in the land of the dead. Oh, darling, please, this should be the last attempt. Look, we love you and value your life as our friend. And then we want you to end things with this princess. Everything. Biko. Have you forgotten that Tobe is very stubborn? Tobe, they said a word is more than enough for the wise.
No, I know, but it will be so bad of me to dump her.
Yes, Tobe, for the sake of your life, dump her. Tobe, dump her. Please, you people should help me tell Tobe that we can defend you against the warriors if the prince attacks.
To stand the ground, run the race, when the time will come and see the things that you cannot see. Yeah. I will be your hands to touch the things and feel the things.
I can't believe for weeks now I've not set my eyes on the princess. I stayed away from her. Oh, that's very wicked and unreasonable of me. But why would she fall in love with me? I didn't ask for all this at all. I didn't see it coming. Oh, I should have gotten so close to her. Now I broke her heart. And I heard she hasn't been herself since then. Poor girl. Even though Gechu was here too, affirmed to that. Oh, what will I do? What will I do? What will I do? Do I go back to her and reveal myself? Hi! Hi! You go help me. Tobuchuku. Tobechuku. Hi!
I asked my son to invite you to the palace because of the agreement you had with him.
Oh, that's very honorable of him to have told you that.
But you know, you can't use someone's life as a bet, especially when the person involved was not duly consulted to give his or her consent.
Your Highness, he told me he has full control of his sister, the princess, and can influence her choices.
Is that true?
Yes, Father.
Why will you do such a thing?
Father, I was too confident. I was too confident that our warriors will win his warriors. So, just for the fun of it, I had to place Nkiru as a bet. And then I told him that if his warriors win the fight, Nkiru will become his wife.
So that was too childish of you. You may be her brother, but you don't own her life.
Well, Father, I've made that mistake already. And now I have to live up to the agreement.
Well, it will not happen.
Your Highness, I remember that I asked him thoroughly if he was sure of that. He asked me to go ahead with my plans.
And you think that was the right thing to do? Look, young man, the girl in question do not care about you or know anything about the so-called bet. I am so disappointed in you, son.
I'm sorry, Father.
Please, help me resolve this.
Well, I did a lot of thinking. And I came up with this idea. I will stage a wrestling contest between you and the man she loves. And whoever wins, take her home.
But Your Highness,
I have made my decision. You either take it or leave it. Leave my palace.
Oke alụsị, ihe na-akwụtara m ihe na-eke, kwọtara m n'oye, kwọtara m n'afọ, na-ewetere m nyom, na-eyote ihe. Oke alụsị. Nkara ga oke mmọnwụ, one ka a ga-ekwujara ibie. Ọ ezigbo nwaanyị ka ị na-enye, ka ezigbo ego nke ị na-enye m, ka okwu na ibe. Ị na-emere m ya na nkwụ, merụ m ya n'oye, merụ m ya na eke. Onye wee na-etere m ụmụ uyom dị mma. Onye ka a ga-ekwe yara ibie. Nkwọ na-akwụtara m ihe ọma, eke na-eketere m ihe ọma. A ga-ekwe one yara one. Oke mmanwụ ka ebe. No! No! This can't be true. Ọrụ ọkọ ṣeru. Ọrụ ọkọ ṣeru. Etinye. Mother! Nkalago! Hey! Nkalago!
I don't care whatever agreement they had. If he wants to keep to it, then he should be prepared to marry him.
My daughter, I understand your temper. I am so sorry I have been part of this, but you must understand it better. Your happiness is what matters to me. That is why I ask your brother, Ekena, to self-pay his pressure on you. I am so sorry.
Father, I don't like the way you're handling this issue. I don't like it at all. It's not okay with me.
That is the way. Your brother placed me in a quagmire. He took a bet. But instead of allowing him to take you away because of one situation in bed, I have decided that there should be a wrestling contest.
Father, but Tobe is not a fighter.
Neither is Amadi. All he has is his warrior.
They will teach him. This is so unfair. Is it not better you allow him to take me away than allow him to disgrace Tobe before the villagers?
The contest is the only way. All you should do is go to him, tell him to get prepared.
Father, Tobe is only good in dancing. Please.
Excuse me. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
a long time I've seen such a stunning, charming young girl like you. Are you from this town?
Yes, I'm from this town.
Ah. And what's your name?
Ezeonu, the daughter of late Mazu Demba.
Oh, late Mazu Demba. Hey, I didn't know that late Mazu Demba had such an epitome of beauty. Huh? Where are you going to?
I want to get to the market and buy some things.
Oh, that's good, that's good. You see, let me tell you something. My wife died a few years ago, and my son is not very helpful. If I give you some money, huh? You help me buy some things from the market, which I'll use to cook. Or rather, why don't you help me in the cooking? Please, I would like it. Huh? Please.
Okay, give me the money.
Ah, okay. Yes. I don't have the money here. The money is in the house. My house is just a stone throw from here. Why don't we go to the house and I give you the money? Huh? Please. Huh? Please now. Huh? Come on. It's just a stone throw from here. And I give you the money and you go to the market. Yes, just. Huh? Come on. Huh? Yes.
You'll be fast, though.
Yeah, yes, I'll be fast. Huh?
I will be your eyes to see the world and see the things that you cannot see. Yeah. I will be your hands to touch the things and feel the things that you cannot feel. Yeah. I will be your legs, yeah, to stand the ground, run the race when the time will come. I will be your strength, child, to hold the things and fight the battles that you cannot fight.
I don't know what to say, my princess.
I understand. You heard about what my father wants to do. I just wanted to know how you are preparing.
My princess,
Toby, don't worry. But please, can you help me defeat Amobi? I need you to win me from my father and my brother, please.
I will try my best.
Promise me you won't disappoint me.
I will be your eyes to see the world and see the things that you cannot see. Yeah. I will be
my princess,
your hands.
You want to be left alone. There's so many things going on my mind.
I hope it's not about your mother.
It's not about her. It's not about my mother. But I will soon tell you why. Please.
Fight the battles that you cannot fight. I'll be your hero. I will be your hero. I'm gonna make you quad on you. Yeah. I'll be your hero. Your hero. The one who will fight for you, stand for you, look after you. Oh yeah. Hey yo, yeah.
You're so sweet. When next are you coming? Can you be coming every day?
You want?
Yes, I want. Eh? If it's money, I can give you. Eh?
Hey. Hey! Hey! Tobe! Tobe! Come on!
What is it?
Tobe, something went off my eyes. I can see.
Wait. If it's a joke, stop it, Mama.
I am not joking. I can see you. This is you. I can touch you. Hey!
Hey! Hey! Mama, you mean you can see me? Mama, okay. If you are seeing me now, what did I do?
You didn't like this.
Hey! Mama! Mama!
Yeah? Tobe?
Huh?
Tobe? Mama? Is this how you look all this while?
Mama, don't laugh me. Oh. Don't laugh at me. I'm still a man.
Yes,
I can be okay. Hi, Mama, I'm so happy. Hi! God, I'm so happy. God, hi. I'm so happy. Hi! My mother can see. My mother can see. Oh, Bumonye kineteremo. Hey! Mama!
Bumonye kineteremo. Eligwe. Onye njọ dịka mụ kineteremo. Hey! Onye njọ dịka mụ kineteremo.
It's okay. Finally you can see. Finally you can see. God, we thank you. Hey! Chukuna, what's up now? Chukwike, hey!
No. I saw the food I kept for you. You didn't even touch it. Huh? Don't tell me you're still worried about tomorrow's event.
Mama, I am worried. Mama, I'm afraid. Mama, I wish we can just leave this village at once.
Hey, to where? Have you forgotten that we were banished from our own village? Huh?
I know, Mama. I know. I don't know how to face the princess and the rest of our people tomorrow. Mama, I've lied about myself so much that I've lost the confidence. I don't know.
No. Whatever you have done, you did to protect both of us. But you cannot keep hiding forever. Huh? I'm sure that you felt relieved when you told your friends, right?
Yes, Mama.
Good.
It was hard for them to understand. But I'm glad they know now, Mama.
Good. No. You will do the same with the princess and the rest of the villagers. I'll be there with you.
Hi, Chimo. Mama, what if the king banishes us? What are we going to do again? Hey.
Let the will of God be done. Whatever punishment the king wants to give us, we will face it together. Oh? I will be there for you. Tobechukwu, you are a special gift to me, and I want you to always be happy. Let's go and eat.
Take care of your father. Elders. Please, come. I want to tell you something. My brother, Adigwe, he was too wealthy. I was jealous of him. So, I killed him.
Hey!
Because I was jealous of him. I was jealous of his wealth. His wife, Chiwemma, I wanted to marry her, but she refused. So I made her blind.
You did? Hey!
My own wife, she was always challenging me in my own house. So I killed her.
Hey! Papa, so you were the one that killed Mama?
You are a very wicked man.
How come I didn't know? You are so wicked. No. He killed my mother.
Sit down. We are here. We are here. Take it easy, please. Mbogu, you are very wicked.
Mbogu, why? Why you are only brother and family? What wrong did he do to you?
The wicked man!
Why?
Mbogu. He's dead, though. Mbogu. Mbogu.
He's dead.
Papa. You were here, Metero.
Metero, Guru.
Papa.
You only metal. Guru.
Papa. Papa. Papa! Hey! 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 Papa! Papa! Hey! Hey! Hey!
My people, today is a remarkable day in the history of our land. It is a day that I will give my beautiful daughter, Princess Nkiru, to a man for marriage. She has 2 suitors. That makes it difficult for her to choose. So, I have decided to stage a wrestling contest between the 2 suitors so that she can choose. And anyone that wins the contest will take her home for a wife. So, my people, let the contest begin.
Adigwe!
I greet you all. Firstly, I want to thank you all for accepting my mother and I. And I want to thank my friends too for standing by me. There will be no wrestling. Yes. Because
I'm Tobe. This is my mother. My blind mother, who recently regained her sight. Igwe, I am sorry for deceiving you people all this while. I am so sorry. Everything I did it because of humiliations, pains will pass through. Please, Yohan. Sorry, my princess. I did it because of my mother and I. Please. We were intimidated and thrown out of our land just because my father never had a son before he died. And I decided to protect the only woman I love. I decided to protect her by becoming a man. Please.
You deceived me. How wicked of you.
I know. I never wanted to come closer to you. I never wanted to. But I said, it will be so unfair. Yes. If I would just let you go like that. Please.
All this while you've been playing with my emotions. Look, the reason why you're still walking freely in this village is just because I don't want my father to throw you into a pit. Do you know how I feel? Do you know how you make me look?
I know. Princess, I know. And that is why I've come to ask you. Look at me. I'm speechless. I don't know what to do. Please.
Please.
Forgive me.
You made me look like a fool. Get out of here right now.
My princess, you once loved me, right? You can still like me.
Please, can you just get out of here? Please, I beg you. Get out from my sight, please. Get out!
I will be your eyes to see the world and see the things that you cannot see. Yeah. I will be your hands to touch the things and feel the things that you cannot feel. Yeah. I will be your legs, yeah, to stand the ground.
I went to the market to get the beads you requested for, and they were more expensive than it used to be. And nevertheless, I still got it.
That's nice.
Princess, I'm on this call.
What do you want from me? Have you come to take me?
No, my princess. I have come to apologize for all the wrongs I may have done to you. It is foolish of me to have thought that I can get whatever I want because I have money and influence. See, my mother never enjoyed her marriage to my father because she was betrothed and she died an unhappy woman. never wish my marriage to be same. Love ought to be earned, not bought.
Did you make this up or what?
No, my princess. I have come to let you know that you can go ahead with your life until you see a man you truly love. At first, I saw you as a gift gotten from a bet. And the more you resisted me, the more I developed this great love and passion for you. But I was wrong to have forced myself on you. Please, I'm sorry. Forgive me.
It's alright.
I should leave now.
Oh, wait. I love your sincerity. So, tell me, do you honestly love me?
My princess, love is an understatement. You are the kind of woman that will make me to smile for the rest of my life.
I will be your eyes to see the world and see the things that you cannot see. Yeah. I will be your hands to touch the things and feel the things that you cannot feel. Yeah. I will be your legs, yeah, to stand the ground, run the race when the time will come. Jai, I will be your strength, Jai, to hold the things and fight the battles that you cannot fight. I'll be your hero. I will be your hero. I'm gonna make you proud of you. Yeah, me, I'll be your hero. Your hero, the one who will fight for you, stand for you, look after you.
It's somebody in this compound. Who is in this compound? Anybody who...
Hey. My prince. My princess. Please.
No, Tobechiko.
Please, forgive me, my princess.
Tobechiko, please rise. Please rise. We are not here to hurt you. We are not here to punish you or do anything to you at all. Yes. Tobechiko, I know I have not been of best behavior to you. And I am sorry. I want you to know that I am a changed person now.
Yes, my brother is a changed person.
Tobe, seeing you at the village square brought me peace of mind. Seeing you brought me happiness and hope. I guess what I'm trying to say is I will be the happiest man on earth to have you as my wife. Yes. Please make me the happiest man by not saying no to me.
Toby, I've never seen my brother this passionate before. Please, just forgive him and accept him, please.
Tobe, I promise that as you make me the happiest man on earth, I will do everything within my power to make you the happiest woman. Please. Please, Tobe, do not say no to my proposal.
I will be your eyes to see the world and see the things that you cannot see. Yeah. I will be your hands to touch the things and feel the things that you cannot feel, yeah. I will be your legs, yeah, to stand the ground on the race when the time will come, Jai. I will be your strength, Jai, to hold the things and fight the battles that you cannot fight. I'll be your hero. I will be your hero. I'm gonna make you proud of you. Yeah, me, I'll be your hero. Your hero, the one who will fight for you, stand for you, look after you. Oh yeah. Hey yo, yeah. I will be your eyes to see the world and see the things that you cannot see. Yeah. I will be your hand